The computer science program at Nipissing prepares graduates for a variety of different careers after graduation, from software engineering to artificial intelligence specialist and many more. Nipissing offers both a Bachelor of Science and a Bachelor of Arts in computer science, which allows you to personalize your degree to suit your interests and strengths. If you have an interest in learning about how technology affects the everyday lives of people and how it impacts us, the Bachelor of Arts might be for you. The Bachelor of Science digs more deeply into the science behind the technology and the programming side of things. There are so many interesting classes that you can take throughout your degree, including coding techniques, computer graphics, digital systems, and many more. Your classes will consist of both lecture and lab-style classes, and at Nipissing, class sizes are small, which allows you to get to know your professors, ask questions, and receive help if you need it. Students in this program also have the opportunity to receive a certificate on top of their degree in game design and development if that's something that interests you. The computer science program also has tons of opportunity for experiential learning, mainly through labs, like the Collaborative Systems Lab, the Robotics Lab, and so many more. As technology continues to advance, a degree in computer science from Nipissing prepares you for the future.